Oh, hello and welcome to Tango Vehicle Leasing. My name's John. I'm showing you around a stunning Volkswagen T30 that we've just had fully customised. What a stunning car this is. A lot of you guys in this scene will know exactly what we've got on our hands here, but what a special vehicle this is. We'll just go around and show it off as best we can for you. It's finished in indium grey metallic. And it's been customised with our signature orange stripe down the side, and there's more of that on the interior of the car as well. Let's go around it. As you can see, it's got the full ABT body kit on it, absolute full kit. It really does help make the car look much lower. And to that end, we've also put coilover suspension on this one as well, so it rides absolutely fantastically on proper suspension. While we're down there, we're looking at the 20-inch racing wheels. They have been powder coated black, gloss black with the red calipers. Look very sporty. Also got the running bars at the bottom, the tubular running bars at the bottom of the car. To match that glossy black theme, we've gone with the windows in the side panels. These are all privacy glassed, nice and glossy. And the rear wheel's very smart. It's got a deeper offset in the rear wheel just to add that stance, add that better stance to it as well. We've got a water pickup as well. So you've got inbuilt water supply. You've got your caravan site pickup point as well. It's also got, which is very rare in these cars, we've got underneath the rear ABT splitter there, we've got the LPG hookup as well with a tank, so that's very rare. If we just pan back, again that lovely privacy glass, glossy look, quad exhaust, absolutely fantastic rear spoiler, just changes the look of this vehicle completely. It's 150 PS. And it has got the DSG semi-automatic gearbox, and it is a Highline edition as well, folks, so it's got all the bells and whistles with it. Now we can customise these to your particular requirements, so we do wrapping as well, we do customised paint colours, you can option the van out as exactly how you want it to be. This one's been made as a show-off vehicle for us. So it's a 4-berth, this one. We'll just open up the driver's door. See the stunning diamond-checked proper leather as well. We decided to go with the ABT theme and put those in the orange with the orange stitching. Obviously smells like a brand new car in here. Got your entertainment there. This car has got factory air conditioning as well. It's also fully insulated, so it keeps you nice and warm in the winter months, and with the AC keeps you cool, hopefully on those hot summer nights. So we're going to do a separate video for the interior. There's lots of extra features in the van. And please do get in touch if this one's of interest. And like I say, we can fully customise these now to whatever specs you require. Paintwork, seats, how many beds we can fit in there as well, wheels, body kits, you name it, get in touch with your requirements. It'll be an absolute pleasure to help you out, and hopefully it will turn out just like this one. Absolute stunning vehicle. Thanks very much for your time. Thank you.